Good morning, everyone. My name is Ananya Richa. I'm studying presently Metallurgical and Material Engineering at NIT Jamshedpur, 2019 batch. Today, the topic of my presentation is nanotechnology in space applications. Firstly, let's know what is nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a science, engineering, and a technology conducted at a nanoscale, which is about 1 to 100 nanometers. Nanoscience and nanotechnology are the study and application of extremely small things and can be used all across the outer science field, such as chemistry, biology, physics, material science, and engineering. Now let's consider the fundamental concept in nanoscience and nanotechnology. A sheet of newspaper is about 100,000 nanometers thick. There are about 25 lakh 400,000 nanometers in an inch. Nanotechnology and nanoscience involve the ability to see and control individual atoms and molecules. Everything on Earth is made up of atoms. The food we eat, the clothes we wear, the buildings and houses we live in, and our own bodies. But something is as small as an atom that is impossible to see with the naked eyes. In fact, it's impossible to see with a microscope that is typically used in high school sciences and classes. The microscope needed to see things at nanoscale was invented like nearly about 30 years ago from now. Although modern nanoscience and nanotechnology are quite new, nanoscale material were used for centuries. Alternate sized golds, silver particles created colors in the stained glass windows of medieval churches hundreds of years ago. The artist back then just didn't know that the process they used to create these beautiful works and arts actually led to changes in the composition of material they were working with. Now let's come to the topic nanotechnology in space applications. We'll have the overview, the introduction part, the literature part, and the future spoke. Today, I'll dedicate this topic to our missile man of India, our India's proud, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's have an introduction on nanotechnology in space. Nanotechnology is the forefront of scientific development. It clenched the substantial building of space even more practical. In future space missions, nanotechnology will play an important role. Nanotechnology is 1 billionth of a meter. Nanotechnology makes today's product more durable, lighter, stronger, smaller. Let's now see the picture of nanoscale. How small is nano? We can see here DNA, and then let's consider the history of nanotechnology. Nanotechnology was firstly used in scanning electron microscope of polygonized nanotube. The term nanotechnology was used by Japanese scientist Norio Tongichu, 1912 to 1999, in 1974 paper. It basically consists of processing of separation, consolidation, and deformation of materials by one atom or one molecule. Let's now know that who is the father of Indian nanotechnology. Dr. Dr. C.N.R. Rao, the Indian chemist who worked on solid state and structural chemistry. He wrote around 51 books and authored 1600 research publications. Technologies used is improved electronics, carbon nanotubes, which involve Murray's law, manipulates molecule with sub-angstrom accuracy, engrave patterns on silicon surface. Let's now know what are the applications of nanotechnology, the military applications and industrial and commercial applications. In military application, we can use in uniforms, thermal barriers, sensors, composites, coating, propulsion, composites, filtration. Better illusion materials are some of the industrial commercial application, low cost flat panels, elimination of pollutants, high energy density batteries, long lasting satellites. Let's now consider the India's pride, Mangalyaan, MOM, which is Mangalyaan first interplanetary mission to Mars, built with 454 crores budget, took 15 months, used a lot of nanosciences and nanotechnology in this, costs less than rupees 7 per kilometer, shows use of nanotechnology advancement in India's on 5th November 2013. Thank you.
और एक यहाँ पे टूल है जो कि हाईलाइटेड है, किसी भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट को अगर हाईलाइट करना है तो यहाँ पर सिलेक्ट करके आपको कलर, जैसे कि यहाँ पे मैं येलो ले लेता हूँ, येलो लेने के बाद यहाँ पे अगर आप लोग इसको हाईलाइट करना चाहते हैं तो इजीली हाईलाइट कर पाओगे। तो ये सारी चीजें जो आप लोग करोगे ना वो रिकॉर्डिंग हो जाती है। जैसे कि ये फर्स्ट स्लाइड जो है 1 मिनट 16 सेकंड का हो गया है, तो अभी हम लोग हो जाता है। अभी अगर हमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप की ओर जाना है तो नीचे से भी आप लोग जा सकते हो। अभी मैं ये ऊपर की तरफ एक नेक्स्ट स्टेप है वो क्लिक करूंगा तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लाया जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे वेलकम टू माय चैनल है, जैसे एक्सप्लेन और उसके बाद खत्म होने के बाद आपको नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आ जाना है। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आने के बाद आपको लास्ट स्लाइड दिखाई दे रहा है, तो यहाँ पर भी आप लोग क्या बात कर सकते हैं कि प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय, लाइक करना वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करो। इस तरीके से आप लोग प्रेजेंटेशन को यहाँ पर खत्म कर सकते हो। खत्म करने के बाद